Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to lock and cut music in Capcut when you want to remove unwanted parts from your track. If you only need a specific section for your video, we will guide you step by step on how to trim and cut your music easily. Now, let's get started. On your Capcut editing dashboard, if you have a music track and you want to cut it at any point, all you have to do is move the playhead to the spot where you want to cut. If you want to cut it at the 1 minute mark, just move the playhead there. Once you are at the right spot, simply click the split button. Once it is split, as you can see, the track is now divided into 2 parts. If you want to delete a section, just right-click on it and select Delete, or you can right-click and choose Delete from the menu. As you can see, the track is now cut and trimmed. If we play it back, we will hear only the 1 minute music segment. And that's it. We have successfully cut the music in Capcut. Now, the audio fits perfectly with the video project.